everyone, this is आरशे आलिया और मैं सुपर डुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है जिनको आपने हमेशा देखा है स्क्रीन पर और इतनी अच्छी अदाकारा है कि जो भी कैरेक्टर वो करती है जब भी वो आंसू बहाती है ऑन स्क्रीन आपको भी रोने का मन करता है. She is a perfect avatar of a mother on screen and I simply like her because of her beautiful and a simple smile which speaks a lot. She's Smita Jaikarji. Hello, Smita ji. Namaste
Yeah.
and
Namaste.
welcome to our conversation.
Namaste, Alia. Thank you. Thank you for inviting
I,
me, actually.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But my first question to you is that the expression that you have always on your face is always, it's like complete expression, you know. It's so simple, it's full of love, it's full of compassion. कैसे कर लेती है आप मैम ये? Now look at your smile. It's so beautiful.
Well, I don't really do something for it. It has just happened, I guess, because of my entire spiritual journey, which is for about 35 years. So that has become a part of me. That has just become me. I don't have to put on this act of whatever, you know. So it's just, I mean, if you feel that I've got this whatever face and joy and peace and whatever on my face, it's not a special effort from my side. It's just a grace of my masters, of someone up there or whatever, I don't know.
Wow, that's really beautiful. And ma'am, there is something common between you and me. I am also an energy healer. So the moment I was
Ah,
going through your profile, I was so excited to see that your spiritual journey, your journey with the chakras and all, it's really exciting and it's something that is always, you know, fulfilling to do for someone else.
yes, I agree with you completely on that. Totally.
Yeah. Yeah. So ma'am, now coming back to the acting journey, acting is a craft, it's an art. हर रोज ये develop होता है एक इंसान के अंदर. So how do you see this craft?
Uh, well, we are all actors on this stage of life. We are all
Right.
acting all the time. We are all wearing masks all the time. Just the way actors wear a mask knowing that they're playing a different character. Here we are wearing a mask, period.
Right.
We don't show anybody our side.
True.
The true
True.
side is never shown to people. So we are always in that kind of a stage where we wear masks and live our lives with the mask. Get it?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
that
Yeah.
is what my acting career over here. Uh, Actually, to become an actor, you don't have to do much then.
Right.
If you know that you're wearing a mask, you don't really have to do much. So
Exactly.
that's how it is actually.
True. True. And
So have I answered your question? What was the
yes,
question?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The how do you take the craft, you know, inside you? Because that is what it's an important, very important answers that every day we have to do a acting with every situation or person. So कहीं ना कहीं it's
Yeah,
like help हो जाती है शायद.
yeah, and we are playing so many roles at one time. Now, just now you're playing a role of an RJ.
Yes.
I'm playing a role of a person you're interviewing. At this moment, I'm not an actress, or no, I'm not acting.
Mhm.
So when I'm home, otherwise I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm so many other things. So actually human beings are such great actors. We can perform so many roles at one time. That's how it's done.
Exactly, exactly. So, ma'am, coming back to your characters as a mother on screen, you
Hmm.
आप इतनी खूबसूरत तरीके से उसे करती है जब आप रोती है, so that in हम दिल दे चुके सनम, you understand that your daughter is going through what, but there are so many things that you need to follow in your life. So, इतनी खूबसूरत तरीके से, how do you do your characters? You know, how do you do your roles?
You know, Alia, it's very easy to make somebody cry. You see somebody crying on the screen, even if you're viewing the movie, you cry.
Yes.
So it's not really so difficult to make people cry. My problem is it's so difficult to make people laugh that we've forgotten how to laugh. To perform a role, as you're saying, okay, people have appreciated my roles in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Devdas, and so many other films that I've done.
Yes.
Um, Honestly, I don't know. I mean, you will believe in it because you are into this energy thing, but I don't know how much public will believe in it. But according to me, it is just grace because I don't have a formal training of acting ever. I've never done that. I don't have. I don't have a godfather in the industry at all. How this happened, how it happens, how it comes across, I just completely put it on grace, because later on you learn, but initially, later on you learn, you know how to face the camera, you know what looks nice on you, you know what smile looks nice on you, and all that you learn later on. But initially, you need to know all these things which need to be taught to you, which was not taught
Yes.
to me. I learned by just experience.
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
And
how it
yeah.
comes to me, I have no idea.
But that's a very beautiful thing that comes to you. Well,
Mm.
ma'am, now moving on to a journey as an actor. Recently, there are so many things that coming up that Bollywood industry is this, that, and that. Every industry has its good part and the bad part, or the
Yeah.
good side or the bad side. But how do you take it, ma'am? How do you take the entire thing? Because you are a well experienced actor in this industry. So how do you take all these things? How do you see all these things?
Uh, Again, uh, if it is all about your perception and your viewpoint, how you perceive things. The people, according to what people know about Bollywood, and of course, I am aware of what people know about Bollywood, and it has got that particular stigma or whatever in Bollywood, that
Yes.
Bollywood mein casting couch hota hai, falana hota hai, dhimkana hota hai, people take advantage of you. But for 35 years of my acting career, I have never experienced this. And okay, today I'm older, but I was young when I joined.
Mhm.
I was subject to all these kind of things. I mean, I could have been, but no one ever looked at me in that fashion. In fact, everybody looked at me with great respect even then. And I don't know how that happens. As I said, I just put it onto grace. I was like I had a protective shield all around me always in my life. I always felt protected. I never got cheated by anybody,
Mhm.
or one or two stray, some stupid incidences which were not even so major that it became, oh my God, but a big trauma in my life. And I thought, oh my God, film line is so. I will never ever say that, because this is my rosy road. It has given me name, fame, everything. So I
Right.
will never say film line is bad, but I know what happens. I have not faced it
True. True.
because of the type of a person I was, because of my perception. If you perceive somebody as that, then that is what becomes your reality.
Yes.
Yeah. So since I didn't perceive all these things in that, I'm sorry, I'm going to have hot water with a little bad throat.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. No issues.
So I never perceived all these things in that fashion. So life is what you perceive. Life is what you make of it. We've heard of these things, but we never put it into practice. And then we blame someone or the other. And if you don't have anyone to blame, you blame God because He doesn't answer you back.
Right,
And
right.
yeah,
True.
and the question always is, why me? Why me? But why not you? Who are you? I mean, who are you? Are you Mirabai's sister, mother? Or are you Kabir Sant Kabir's daughter? What? Who are you? Why should you not get in trouble if they have also got into it? So you have to know how to handle. That is life. And I feel if you've chosen this career as an actor, then you know how to behave. If you don't know how to behave, that is something which is your shortcoming. Now, if you become a doctor and you say, "I'm sorry, I'm not going to inject. I can't see blood." Sorry, bhai, निकल जाओ इधर से. तुम्हारी line नहीं है ये. If you've chosen
Exactly.
you want to be an actor, so everything comes along with it. You can't say, I'll do this, I won't do that. और ये मेरे को मंजूर है, ये मेरे को मंजूर नहीं. That you can't do.
True. Exactly. Everything has its own good and a bad side always, each and every
Absolutely.
profession. Right.
Absolutely.
Now coming back to your spiritual journey, कैसे inclined we up towards all this, the spiritual journey that you are going to be a part of this? How did you get inclined?
No, I didn't get inclined. I was just pushed into it by destiny.
Yeah.
And the very first year that I joined my film line, I met my first master, Prabhuji. He's no
Okay.
more, but I met my first master through my husband. He was a businessman, but
Okay.
he was a guru figure for me when I met him. Okay, and that's how my journey started. I had no clue of what spirituality meant. He was the one who explained everything to me and what is spiritual and what is being religious, all those things. This first initial बिल्कुल grounding जो है वो उनसे मैंने सीखी. So my
जी.
journey started from there. Okay, and that's how I moved on. And then as you walk on that path, you meet so many other masters. You on that journey, so many other things open up to you. Then you do so many
Yes.
processes. you work on yourself. So that's how my journey started. And today I'm for the past 9 years, my master is Maitreya Dadashri ji, and our ashram is in Karjat, which is a little extended suburb of Mumbai, I would say. No, proper Mumbai से 2.5 घंटा लगता है उधर जाने के लिए. So there is where our ashram is, and our master is Maitreya Dadashri ji. So I have had 3 masters in my life. One was Prabhuji. Then for 20 years I was with another ashram, and now for the past 9 years I'm with Maitreya Dadashri ji. So I've always been a living master in my life. It is just me that I feel people don't believe in having a living guru, but for me, I think it is mandatory for everybody to have a living guru.
Right.
No, it is. I also, Sai Baba is also my guru, but he's not alive. So when I'm talking, I do talk to Baba, I do talk to Dadashri ji also. But when I'm talking, I don't know whether my prayers are heard, or I don't know unless it manifests. Otherwise, I don't know. But with Dadashri ji, whenever we get an opportunity to meet him or something, I get to talk, to answer. He corrects you, he tells you this is what it is. Even if it's a process of so many people, you still get your answers straight from the master himself, from the physical master himself. So for me, it is I need a guru in my life.
Yeah, and that's really beautiful. And the line that you have said that कि पता नहीं हमें सुना है कि नहीं, I always believe वो सुनते हैं, लेकिन सही टाइम पे हमें वो दे देते हैं, और उससे भी अच्छा दे देते हैं.
Correct. It has to manifest. Then only you know that my prayers are heard, which I prayed for 1 year ago. तब पता नहीं चलता ना.
हाँ, तब पता नहीं चलता.
हाँ.
मैम पहले हमने जो बात की कि लोग आजकल मुखौटा पहन के घूमते हैं, नॉट एग्जैक्टली आजकल, हमेशा से, जब से हम बड़े हुए हैं, जब से हमें दुनिया पता चली है दुनिया क्या है, हर कोई मुखौटा पहनता है. बट डू यू थिंक दैट कि मैं जो चाहती हूँ वो जब मैं लोगों के सामने दिखाऊंगी, माई वल्नरेबिलिटी इज माई स्ट्रेंथ, क्योंकि मुझे एक्टिंग नहीं करना पड़ता, एंड समवेयर आई एम लाइक ओके दिस इज मी, ओके दिस इज मी, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं एक्टिंग करके हम खुद को दुख दे देते हैं, खुद बोलते हैं अरे मैंने तो ऐसा कर लिया पर मैं ऐसी थी नहीं, वो एक अलग तरीके का पेन है. So vulnerability is somewhere a strength for everyone, you know, and we don't know what is a strength until and unless we don't face that particular problem. So problems आना जरूरी है life में. What is your take on that?
I agree with you, but I don't use the word problems.
Yeah.
I use the word challenge.
Situation. Okay.
Challenge. So you've got to take up challenges in life. So when you say problem is a negative word, according to me, it has a negative connotation.
Yes,
but
yes.
Challenge, when you say it's a challenge, then you can overcome a challenge. Like sportsmen, artists, everybody, they overcome that challenge. No, I will push myself to that. Even when you're doing exercises, you know, if you have an instructor, he says, push, you can do it, you can do it. So it is like, okay, I will do it. It's a challenge. I want to do this lastly. You know, so when you take it as a challenge, then it doesn't feel so problematic. It doesn't feel so larger than life, and ऐसे मतलब उसका पहाड़ जैसा नहीं लगता है. So you just a shift of that word as a problem and a challenge. Then you look at the world different. Again, as we earlier said about wearing masks, I am not saying that you just have to become open to each one and everyone. It is not possible. But integrity is another part, you know. Integrity, you got to be integral with yourself. You have to have the integrity with yourself. Like if I'm lying to you just now, I have to have that integrity. No, I know I am lying to Alia just now, but at this point, I cannot speak the truth.
Right.
लोग जो बिंदास बोल देते हैं ना झूठ, और उसी झूठ पे दुनिया बसा लेते हैं ना, that is what is not is according to me, that is wearing masks and moving.
True. Exactly, that's very true. कभी-कभी situation में हमें कुछ बातें बोलनी पड़ती है, but we know that we are saying that.
Correct. Yeah, that is what vulnerability is. You know, you got to be vulnerable at some time. Now, in front of your master, you got to be vulnerable. You're an energy healer. When somebody comes to you for energy healing, that person has to be vulnerable. If you wear a mask, you will not be able to give him the energy healing.
Yes.
It will not go through. It will not penetrate through, because he's come with a whole huge block. Then that is you know, such kinds you have to say, you have to surrender to the whole thing. Surrender to the process, surrender to the whole thing.
True, true, very true, very true. Now, ma'am, coming back to the roles of a woman in our society, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि इस बात को कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोला जाता है, बिकॉज आई पर्सनली मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि बीइंग अ वुमेन एक बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस हुई है हमारे लाइफ में। अभी हम हर क्षेत्र में हैं, हर क्षेत्र में वी आर देयर, एज वी ऑलवेज से दैट गिव मी अ रोल अकॉर्डिंग टू माय एबिलिटी। तो ये
Correct.
चीजें हमें मिल रही है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम ये कहकर कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, वुमेन्स आर ऐसा है, वो आज भी पिछड़ी हुई है, उन्हें आज भी वो रूल्स नहीं मिल रहे, कहीं ना कहीं बोल बोल के हमने इसको कुछ ज्यादा ही रियल बना दिया है। बट समय मुझे लगता है कि नेचर ने, प्रकृति ने हर एक महिला को इतना कुछ दिया है, they can do it if they really wanted to do it, and same
True.
principle is applied to each and every gender। अगर कोई चाहे तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि
I agree.
मेंस आर नॉट, ऐसा नहीं है कि पुरुष कभी फेल नहीं हुए, वो भी फेल हुए हैं, वो भी रोते हैं, वो भी सब करते हैं, वी ऑल आर इक्वल बाय नेचर। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम इंसानों ने इसे बना दिया है कि इट्स नॉट इक्वल। व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I have a lovely module on this.
या
People have come to me to talk on empowerment of women, empowerment of women. So I tell them I'm not going to talk of empowerment of women because I personally don't believe in empowerment of women. I don't believe in this concept that liberation, ये वो जरा सा झगड़ा हुआ बैग पकड़ के निकल गई औरत है मेरे को ये वो fight. I don't believe in breaking relations. I said I'll speak on the same topic, but I'll say empowerment of women in spirituality. It has to be spiritual empowerment, not these physical empowerment and fight and go back and divorce. 2 minute mein. That is not what I'm going to talk about. So I have got a module on this to empower women spiritually. What I mean by that, har aurat mein, har insan mein, more so in the woman because she is the Shakti and she has got it. And we have been so suppressed ever since creation. I'm not talking of Mahabharata times and all. Women were very liberated. If Draupadi could have 5 wives and Kunti could conceive without any connection with any man, these things have happened back in the days. We don't know if it's a myth or it's a reality, but at least that thinking process was there then back in the days. So women had a lot of power in those days. It is somewhere in between where this suppression has come, and women have accepted that role that I am suppressed, I am weak, I am this, I am. So I don't only blame the men for doing that. Women have accepted it. At that very time, if you say, I'm sorry, this is not what I'll do, don't fight. Don't say, I'm sorry, I'm not. नहीं बोलने का तरीका होता है ना हर चीज का. So this is not, I mean, you're just rolling me over, you're not stepping over me, jumping over me. I cannot accept this kind of a thing. I'm sorry. We need to come on terms with it. So it is between you. You have to realize what you are worth and how much can you go further. How much you allow yourself to go further. People take advantage of you, whether you're a man or a woman.
Exactly.
But being a woman, I'm a woman, so I can tell you now, even in a film industry, if you say, now when they come to me with a role, if they come to me with a role which has got these revealing outfits or something like that, I say, I'm sorry, I can't do this because this is not me. Even when I was in school and college, I never wore clothes like that. I'm not comfortable with it. बाकी करते हैं करने दो. I have no objection to it. It looks nice on some, but I'm not comfortable with it. So I'll tell them I will only do this. Even physical closeness with anybody, I said I can only do this much. I can't do anything more than this. So if you think that this is required for your film, then I'm the wrong person you have chosen. So you have a choice, no, everywhere.
Yes.
Life always gives you a choice, but if you choose to be suppressed, God help you. And then don't complain. Then don't complain. Correct?
True.
So life is always, it puts you in a choice every time. There's always a choice. You want to do this or you don't want to do this. If you've chosen to do this, then you have to abide by whatever comes that way.
Exactly. True.
That's what it is.
Exactly. Yeah, because we always have different choices and it's up to you what you choose nicely and beautifully for you. Because you have to speak for yourself at the end of the day.
Exactly. So even as a parent, you would say, like a child, if a child back answers you, and when they're children, it sounds very cute because they don't understand. But then you make that as a precedent. So at that point, if you tell your child nicely, beta, this is not the way to talk to adults or whatever. So you have a choice. Either you smile and say, Arey, wah, 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 or you correct the child.
Exactly. True.
So ये दोनों तरफ जाता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। वेल मैम, बिफोर वी वाइंड अप दिस कन्वर्सेशन, व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स इन फ्यूचर? कहाँ कहाँ हम आपको देख पाएंगे एंड क्या?
Very honestly, at the moment, the film industry is quite closed. Nothing is
या
happening. Though I have heard that they're starting very heavily with web series and all that stuff.
यस
I'm open
यस
to working. I don't want to do serials. I don't wish to do serials just now because it takes a lot of my time. And besides, why? Mainly because my spiritual angle has opened up very, very largely, widely. So I'm very busy with all those things. So
यस
film करो तो इतना होता है. मेरा role कितना होगा as a character artist in the whole film? It is hardly for maximum 10 days max, spread over a period of time. So I can manage to do that.
ट्रू
I don't mind doing theater also because your rehearsals go on for maximum a month. After that, you have to go for shows only. So I have time for myself. So I've chosen this, that I will not do certain things which I've done enough work. 35 years is a very long time to be in the industry.
वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, वेरी लॉन्ग
Yeah, and
टाइम।
I've done a lot of series. I've done all that. मेरे से अभी इतनी मेहनत भी नहीं होती है. To go in the morning, get up at 8, come back at 10 o'clock. I cannot work slog like that anymore. So it's too much for me. I will have done it, been there, done that kind of a thing. So I choose my work as far as the films and all are concerned. Films is I'm open to. Web series also I'm open to. Because again, web series are not like serials. They
या
have seasons. So they have breaks in between and all that. So that is also I'm open to. So there is, I mean, it's not that I've given up and neither do I intend to give up completely. That I'll say, okay, that's it, tala ban, mera film career ka, aisa nahi hai. But yes, I uh, do limited work.
Yeah. But hope to see you more on screen because the way you play your characters, it's so lovely and it's so engaging actually. That is one thing I really like because yesterday when I get to know that I supposed to take your interview, I was so excited कि मैम से बात हो रही है because हम दिल दे चुके सनम का जो character है ना, it's still very fresh in my mind और ये movie मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ कभी कभी. I don't know why, कुछ अलग सा लगाव है इस movie से, you know. तो
Yeah,
वो
it's one
कैरेक्टर
of those
मुझे
old time
बहुत
classics. Yeah, it's a feel good
या
film. Anytime you see it, you feel good about it.
एंड एवरी टाइम आई क्राई जब भी मैं देखती हूँ इट्स नॉट लाइक कि नहीं अभी रोऊंगी, इसमें ऑटोमेटिकली वो इमोशन आ जाता है, वो
Yeah,
प्यार आ जाता है हर एक कैरेक्टर. इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल मूवी. सो मैम, थैंक यू so much for joining me in this
thank you.
conversation. Hope to have you more in my shows in future and hope to see you more on screen.
Thank you
And
so much.
thank you so
Thank you.
much, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.